In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view reporting analytics for Playbooks in HubSpot so you can track usage, measure engagement, and understand how your team is actually using the content you've created. If you're using Playbooks for sales, support, or customer success, tracking performance is essential to make sure they're driving results. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can quickly access the data and start analyzing it today. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and software how-to guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, we need to access the Playbooks tool inside HubSpot. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and going to your main dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the top navigation bar and click on CRM. When the drop-down menu appears, select Playbooks. This will take you to the main Playbooks area where all of your existing playbooks are stored and managed. From here, you'll be able to access not just the playbooks themselves, but also the analytics tied to them. Once you're inside the Playbooks tool, the next step is to navigate to the Analyze or Usage tab. Depending on your HubSpot version, you may see this labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for the section that provides performance insights or reporting data. Go ahead and click on that tab. This is where HubSpot aggregates the data related to how your playbooks are being used across your organization. Now let's break down what you'll see on the analytics screen and how to interpret it. One of the first metrics you'll notice is total views. This tells you the number of times a playbook has been opened by users. It's a great indicator of overall visibility and adoption. Next, you'll see total completions. This metric shows how many times the playbook was not just opened, but actually completed. If you notice a large gap between views and completions, that may signal that users are opening the playbook but not finishing it, which could mean it needs to be optimized or simplified. You'll also see data on the users who interacted with the playbook. This helps you understand which team members are actively using the resource and which ones may need additional training or encouragement. Another important metric is the objects where the playbook was used. This could include deals, tickets, contacts, or even custom objects depending on your setup. This information gives you context around how the playbook supports different parts of your CRM process. At the top of the analytics page, you'll find several drop-down filters that allow you to refine the data. You can filter by date range to analyze performance over a specific time period. You can filter by team to see how different departments are using the playbook. You can filter by individual user if you want to evaluate specific performance. There's also an option to filter by object type, such as deals or tickets, and even by a specific playbook if you want to analyze one in detail. Using these filters allow you to drill down into meaningful insights instead of just looking at broad numbers. By regularly reviewing these analytics, you can identify which playbooks are driving engagement, which ones may need updates, and how effectively your team is adopting your processes. That's how you view reporting analytics for Playbooks in HubSpot. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to access powerful insights that can help you improve performance and drive better results across your team. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.